Hi there. We're your MSU Denver admissions counselors here to go on an application walkthrough with you. Feel free to pause this video at any time to get help with the next steps and any of the tricky parts of the application. To get started, visit www.msudenver.edu and click on the large red Apply button on the top right hand of the screen. If you've logged in before, you'll be a returning user and can log into your existing application. If you haven't created an application before, you're a first-time user and will need to create an account. Returning users can log in with their email and password they've already created. First-time users will be prompted to enter a temporary PIN after you've created your account. That PIN can be found in the email address you provided. Once you've entered that PIN, you'll be able to set a password. See the image attached for the criteria. Then you'll be able to choose your application. Select the Start New Application button to see your options, or read the application type listings on the page indicated. Select Bachelor's for an undergraduate application. Once you've confirmed that selection, click Open Application. Welcome to the application. The first page of this application will walk you through our self-reporting GPA guidelines. It's very important that you report this information accurately so that we can give you the most accurate result. As you're entering your personal information, please use a personal email, not a student email. When you graduate from high school, your email will be disabled by your district and we won't be able to contact you otherwise. If you do not have a U.S. Social, do not enter anything in the Social Security number box. Entering zeros will cause an error on your application. Instead, enter the country of your birth for your primary citizenship and continue to the next page. If you are an undocumented student living or attending high school in the United States, answer yes to the first question so that you don't accidentally get classified as an international applicant. Then be sure you select the Dreamer DACA Undocumented option in the drop-down about your current status. Give us a little information about your academic background. Answer these questions as if you've already graduated from high school. When you get to the question about attending other colleges, if you've taken college classes while in high school, you'll answer yes, that you have attended other colleges for credit. On a later screen, you'll be able to add that college information so that we can get those credits for you. Enter your MSU Denver plans so that we know when you want to start. If you're planning on starting next August, that's fall 2021. An undergraduate degree is probably what you're looking for as the 4-year degree. Then enter the field of study and let us know whether or not you plan on applying for financial aid and scholarships. The here requirements is just the high school history that you've completed so far. Again, answer as if you've already graduated. If you don't have any family information you'd like to enter, you don't have to. If you would like to, you'll be prompted on another screen. MSU Denver is excited to announce that we are test optional this year, meaning you do not have to provide scores if you don't want to or if you don't have them. If your test was canceled because of COVID-19, answer the questions accordingly and let us know. Then you'll be able to add your high school information. Please make sure when you get to the degree dropdown, you choose high school diploma even if you haven't yet finished high school. We want to make sure we know that you are planning on completing high school, so let us know that you plan on getting that degree. Remember to report your unweighted GPA as accurately as possible. Do you think you're eligible for in-state tuition? Let us know. If you're claiming Colorado residency and you're under 23 years old, you need to provide your parents' information. We also participate in the College Opportunity Fund, which provides a tuition stipend for Colorado students. Basically, it's some free money. So definitely say that yes, you would like MSU Denver to apply on your behalf and authorize us to use that COP stipend towards your tuition. We also want to know why you're interested in MSU Denver. Let us know a little bit about what interests you. Are you interested in our Access Center, music, recreation, study abroad? Let us know. We want to know what encouraged you to apply as well. Is it our location? Did you go to a school visit? Let us know. Once you're done, Make sure you sign your name, type the name as indicated on the initial part of the application, sign a parent or guardian's name as applicable, and then enter the promo code. If you don't have one or you'd like one, get in touch with your admissions counselor and we can help you waive that fee. Once you're done and you go to the review screen, if you've completed the application fully, you should see a button that says Finalize Application and Pay. If you entered a promo code and you push that button, your application will be submitted. If you push that button without entering a promo code, you'll be prompted to enter some credit card information so that you can pay your application fee of $25. Once you've hit that button, congratulations! You just completed your application for admission to MSU Denver. You can meet with any one of our admissions staff by visiting that link at the bottom. Connect with your admissions counselor. There you'll get to find who exactly is your admissions counselor and we can help you with your next steps. Thank you so much. We look forward to seeing you on campus and congratulations.